Alright guys, this is At Your Seat. You should have page 208, which is found in the At Your Seat box. And Ms. Hiller's going to work number 1 out with you. If you notice, we're looking at input-output tables. And just a reminder that we will be taking our test again in 2 weeks. So this is very important. So number 1 says, Ms. Yim makes candles. She packs the candles in boxes of 8. Which table shows how many candles Miss Yim can pack in 3, 6, and 9 boxes? So if you notice, we read, we draw, and we write our RDW. We read that the candles come in boxes of 8. Guess what, boys and girls? When you see that in a problem, they're giving you the pattern. They're telling you boxes of 8, that the pattern is times 8. Okay? So let's look. If I have 3 boxes and I multiply 8, will that give me 12? 3 times 8 is not 12, so that cannot be my answer choice. Let's move on to the next one. 3 times 8. Is 3 times 8 18? No. So that cannot be my answer choice. And just as a review, some of you might say, well, you're going too fast, Ms. Hiller. So then I'm going to show you with this one. 3 times 8. I'm going to do my T-chart. I'm counting by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. If Miss Hiller is still going too fast, feel free to pause the video so you can show your own T-chart and your own work. So right there it tells you in the T-chart that 3 times 8 is 24. Now go back up to your table. Does 3 times 8 equal 18? No. So there's your proof that that table is wrong. Let's move on to letter C. 3 times 8 is 24. Yes, and I can prove it with my TB chart that I already made. Alright? So when you're proving your answers, I want you guys to put a check on top if it's true or not, okay? 6 times 8 is 48. Check. 9 times 8 is 64. Well, I need to make my TB chart for that. Go ahead and press pause so you can make your TB chart. Alright, if you have unpaused, you will see that 9 times 8 is not 64. So this one is incorrect. Let's go to letter D. 3 times 8 is 24. Check. 6 times 8 is 48. Check. And 9 times 8 is 72. Check. So letter D is the correct option. I go ahead and fill it in. And it lets me know that at 3, 6, and 9 boxes, the amount of candles I should have according to the pattern.